Next, we want to create some section and columns. So when we divide the document into sections, it allows us to format each section of the document with different page layout settings. A section is defined as a portion of our document that's going to be separated from the rest of the document by section breaks. In section breaks, these are the formatting marks that we insert into the document to show the end of the section. And once we have divided a document into sections, we can then format each section with different column margin, orientation, heading, headers and footers, and any other type of page layout setting. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we are going to right click on the status bar, and we want to click on the, here's my status bar down here, and we want to go ahead and choose a little check mark under section. Okay, so now we're customizing our status bar. And we're now going to go to our Home tab, and we want to put on our Show Hide button. And now we want to place the insertion point before the heading General Consideration, right before the G in General. We're going to go up to the Breaks button in the Paragraph Setup group. So let's go to Layout. Here is our page setup. Let's go to Breaks. And here we want to select in the section break Continuous. So with Word will insert a continuous break. It shows a dotted line above and below the heading. And when we insert a section break at the beginning of a paragraph, Word is going to insert the break at the end of the previous paragraph. We're now going to, our cursor is still over by General Consideration. We're now going to go up to our Columns option or Columns button in our Page Setup group. We're going to go all the way down to where it says More Columns, and we want to set it to. And we want to click on the spacing down arrow for the under the Presets section. Here's our spacing. They want us to change this to 0.3 inches. So our section 2 is going to be formatted in 2 columns of equal width of a 0.3 of spacing between. So I'm going to say OK. And you can see it did not put our heading up top here in 2 paragraphs, just the information that we asked and specified in that particular section. So now when we go to View and we look at this in multiple pages, we can see now that we have 4 pages instead of 5. Alright, so I'm going to go back to 100%. I'm going to do a Control Home, and we'll stop right here.